Hello guys, and welcome to a new episode of Codewars Series. So in this one we will have to solve this as the string uppercase task. So basically what we want to check is if string is actually all uppercase, so if all letters are like this one. And let's see how we will do this one. So here we have something which is JS specifics. We have a function here which is not an arrow function. We have a prototype, so let's see how to solve this. In this case we don't have a parameter for the function, but what we have is this. So we will say here return this, and then the string method called toString to convert it to string, and then to uppercase to convert this to uppercase, and then to check if that's equal, so this is strict equals, to this dot toString, and see if this works. So let's test it. Yep, passed. That's fine. And then let's attempt this one. Okay, great. So it's working fine. So basically what we are doing here is just checking if string, which is this one, is uppercase, and then just checking if that's true or false.